Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
A Delta Executor is a third-party program that runs scripts inside a game client to automate or alter behavior. It injects Lua or bytecode into memory and interacts with the running process. Executors bridge external code to in-game functions, often bypassing normal UI flows. This changes gameplay state on the client side versus the server's intended rules and can be detected by anti-cheat systems. Understand that this is a tool category, not a sanctioned game feature, and it carries technical and ethical implications. There are three major risks to using any game executor: account ban, malware exposure, and potential violation of terms that can trigger legal claims. Anti-cheat systems scan for injected code and modified clients. Detection can result in immediate suspension or permanent ban, often without appeal. Many distributed executors come bundled with malware that can steal credentials or compromise files, risking identity or financial theft. Beyond personal harm, supporting or distributing cheats undermines fair play communities and can carry civil or criminal consequences in some jurisdictions. Choose safe alternatives. Use official developer tools, studio mode, and documented APIs to learn scripting without violating rules. Learn Lua fundamentals by building single-player mods, private servers with owner permission, or open-source tools that respect terms of service. Practice in a local sandbox rather than injecting live clients. If you find a vulnerability, follow responsible disclosure to game developers instead of exploiting it. Focus on legitimate skill growth, contributing to mods with consent, and protecting your accounts and devices from malware and bans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.